Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Fathom app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start using Fathom Video to record their meetings and want to go ahead and install the app so that they can integrate it with other applications. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you're going to do is that you're going to log into your Fathom account. Then on the upper right hand corner, you want to toggle over your profile icon and then click on download app. Now, once you click on download app, it is going to install it onto your desktop, and you just need to drag and drop the icon into your applications folder. So here we have Fathom, and what we're going to do is that we're just going to drag and drop into the folder. And now I already have Fathom already installed. So what we'll do is that we're going to access our applications within our Mac. So here we have Fathom, and we're just going to go ahead and open it up. Now with Fathom installed, you are going to be able to automatically record meetings if you please. So right here in the upper right hand corner of my Mac, you'll see that there's no calls currently scheduled. And then in addition to that, you can actually add meetings to here so that you can go ahead and record those meetings using Fathom Video. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and install the Fathom app for your Mac or desktop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.